Hello guys, my name is Sohail Radha. You are watching my channel Radha Refrigeration in YouTube. In today's video, I will tell you how can connect your O general inverter AC to your mobile. That too without Wi-Fi, and you can also use your AC without internet. If your AC remote is not working, how can connect you use your phone is an emergency. I will tell in this. You are requested not skip the video and watch the full video. You will understand my word very easily. One thing you have to keep in mind that you must have Xiaomi, Redmi, Mi phone which can easily use to your AC. AC will not connect with other company's phone. So friends, let's start the video. But before that, I want to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that the notification of my latest video reaches you first. If you have any problem with your fridge, AC, washing machine, or you want to talk to me on that topic or need any solution, then you can comment me in the comment box. And if you use Instagram, Radha Refrigeration 777 is my Instagram ID, then you can talk to me by following me. I will be happy to help you. So friend, now we have to the screen of our mobile. Now all we have to do is open the Play Store of our mobile. Search for Zaza Remote and now download and install it. Zaza Remote is installed. Now we open it. Now you have to agree to all terms and conditions of Zaza Remote. After that you will come to the main page. In this you will see that the symbol of AC will be visible to you. You have to go inside by touching the AC symbol. After that you can see that there are many brands of AC. In this you can connect to AC of any company. Now you have to find the AC and you don't have to find the general. Your AC will not connect to the general. You have to find the Fujitsu and your AC will connect to Fujitsu only. Now you have to go inside Fujitsu and O general inverter AC come to Fujitsu only. After coming in, the page with the remote has been opened. In this you can see that is a remote from 1 to 19. Now we press the power button. After pressing the power button, if your AC beeping of your AC is turning on or off, then you have to press the it work button. And your AC is not working, then you have to press the next button. On pressing the next button, the second remote comes. Now we have to press the power button again. And my O general inverter AC is beeping. My remote is working and now I touch it work. And my AC remote is made and this remote has a lot of buttons. You can see I can use this remote very easily. That too without Wi-Fi connectivity. If your remote is still not connected, so if you keep doing the process, then your remote will work. And if you have made a remote, then definitely tell me in the comment. Then friend, hope you like my video, then please like my video.